5 strange facts about owls. Fact 1. Night vision. Superpower. Owls can see clearly even in the darkest nights thanks to their large eyes. Fact 2. 270-degree head rotation. Owls can rotate their heads without breaking any blood vessels or nerves. Fact 3. Silent wings. Owls fly without making a sound due to their special wings. Fact 4. Precise hearing. Owls have asymmetrical ears, giving them an extraordinary ability to pinpoint prey. Fact 5. Nocturnal predator. Owls hunt primarily at night, feeding on rodents and small birds. Conclusion: what's your favorite bird? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to suggest the next video.